I was not able to attend the second day of Lakbay Likha kasi nagkaroon ng time conflict with my daughter's family day. Kaya naman, maaga ulit ang gising namin today and around 8 p.m. ay nasa venue na kami for our family day. Ayun, we have a short program, then picture taking, tapos itong si Junakis ko, panay takbo lang din naman ang ginagawa sa venue na para bang nakawala sa hawlan niya. And then around 10 a.m. ay nagkaroon kami ng kunting salo-salo with my co-parents, and after that, we went to my husband's office. Hindi na ako nakapag-video dito guys kasi nga po bawal ang video for privacy. And then after that ay nag-grocery kami sa Pure Gold. And then we took our dinner at Chowking around 7 p.m. And then around 8 p.m. ay nasa bahay na kami. And ito na nga, naging busy na ako sa paggawa ng aking task online. Around